Hello Chaos. In this video, we'll see what is Python and how to download Python. First, we'll go to Google Chrome and type download Python. This is the official website of Python. Click on it. So this is the official website of Python. This is about Python. So download Python 3.9.1. It is the latest version of Python. Click on it and we'll see when was it released. So it released on 21st December 2020, so it's just before 2 or 3 weeks back. So I click on it, click modify, accept everything and install. So if you are downloading this for the first time, it takes some time. It might take 2 or 3 minutes, so be patient. Let's verify how it's work. Go to search bar and click on Python. So this is the home page of Python. I prefer and I like dark themes. So if you want, you can go with bright themes as well. So let's check is it working or not. Just type 2 plus 2. Yes, it gives 4. So this is about how to install Python. So we'll see how to code in the upcoming videos. So we'll see what about Python. So Python is a general purpose language, and of course it is an object oriented programming. And the special thing is it also supports procedure oriented programming as well. We can learn Python even if you are not coming from programming background. That's why Python is cool. On the other hand, we can't directly learn Java or any other language. If you are not coming from programming background, we can do, of course, but nothing is impossible. But my point is it might reduce our confidential level, and if we start with Python, it's damn easy and it increase our confidence level. That's why we prefer Python. And also Python supports ML machine learning, and even it uses for advanced robotics. Python is completely damn easy language available in the market, and it's like English. If we know English, then Python is completely easy. Now let's talk about interpreter. Interpreter, which is nothing but it just convert our code into binary code, because computer it doesn't know English. That's why we have to convert. The interpreter convert our code into binary code for computers understanding. Now let's see some interesting facts about Python. So why Python is called Python and why not some other name? So the author name is Guido van Rossum. So he is very much inspired about some comedy series, Britain comedy series, which is called Monty Python. That's why he fixed that name. This is some interesting facts about Python. And in second fact is Python, which is one of the programming language people studying in primary school as well. But we started learning Python after 20 or 25. But in French, they started learning this Python even in the primary school. And more than 75% of children prefer to choose Python instead French language, their own mother language. That is the second interesting fact. The third is Python does not require any compiler. And the fourth interesting fact is Python is an open source language, and the member of Python community are allowed to make their contribution into a Python ecosystem. The another fact is Python is the official language at Google using Python as a main language, and lots of many companies using Python as a supportive language or secondary language, like we can tell Amazon, like that, like companies. And the another interesting fact is, as I said, Python is more like English. If you know English, then Python is damn easy. The last interesting fact is Python does not support pointers. If you don't know pointers, just neglect it. That's not much more about it. That's it about this video. Goodbye.